Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate user quotas on VPS Filesystem, detailed guide step by step clearly. To activate user quotas on a VPS Filesystem, begin by accessing your VPS through SSH. Log in with your root or sudo user credentials. First, ensure that the necessary quota packages are installed on your system. For Ubuntu or Debian, use the command apt-get install quota. If you're using CentOS or RHEL, install the quota package with yum install quota. Next, you need to edit the /etc/stab file. Open the file with your preferred text editor, such as Nano or Vim. Locate the line that corresponds to the file system where you want to enable quotas. Add the quota option to the relevant line. For example, it should look something like this: /dev/sda1/home extension 4 defaults, user quota, group quota 02. Save and exit the editor. After updating the /etc/stab file, remount the file system for changes to take effect. You can do this by running the command mount-o remount/home. Next, initialize the quota system by using the command quota check cug/home. This command creates the necessary quota files. After that, enable quotas for users by using quotan/home. You can now set specific quotas for individual users. Use the command add quota username to edit the quotas for a specific user. In the editor that opens, specify both the soft and hard limits for blocks and nodes. Save your changes and exit the editor. To verify that quotas have been set correctly, use the command repquota/. This will display the quotas in effect for all users. Lastly, educate users on how to check their quota usage with the command quota username. This completes the activation of user quotas on your VPS file system. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.